thank you so much for joining the event. A special thanks to our sponsors, a very special one to Mel from Google.
Welcome everyone. My job is here to welcome you to this absolutely beautiful space. So I am so pleased to be able to host all of you here today.
And I think that's a testament, by the way, to how widely AI is moving, but also to how many partners have worked with us at the centre.
With AI, but with many workload, you need to have access to a huge quantity of data.
So this lovely four-story building is the home of school computing in Macquarie University. So several years ago, university invested $14 million to renovate this building.
You could start to ask simple questions, complex questions. Build me a 10-day itinerary to Positano. And it was able to go away and curate meaningful results.
We can give you an excellent customer experience, and in that way, we're democratising physiotherapy. Right? We're changing the landscape of how you get that. And we've done the same thing with psychology.
It's a great pleasure to be here today and to see all of the various facets and contributors to the ever-changing world of AI come together.
So intelligence is the capability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills to achieve a specific process, right? And you see there are very important components for intelligence.
Lunch is served outside, and again, the student posters are there to have a look through. See you all at 2:05. Thanks very much.
And we published a very fundamental research into represent a very complex structure into a simple vector.
Google DeepMind provide this project that predict the gene expression from the DNA sequence. And based on my research, I found we can use a different part of the DNA sequence to combine and predict the gene expression.
For consumer, you have the bud and the maker suite, where is the consumer-facing product. Then from enterprise customer perspective, we have Vertex AI and the Duet AI.
They have two chatbots. One is OCBC Buddy, and the other one is OCBC Wingman that supports their internal staff in producing code.
So as we kind of moved into we don't use restricted shares, we now use data APIs to get data, the world had kind of moved on to doing storage in a different way.
And from 2020 onwards, the focus in the public domain moved to content creation, which is what we're all talking about.
But the main and the interesting things about this system that EMEA can provide reasons behind this scoring.
And if you think back to the last couple of years of COVID, it's pushed the adoption of digital services so fast. It has all evolved, and for all of us, it's perfectly normal now to have all your identity stuff on your phone.
If someone tell me exactly what they're after, that is way more accurate compared that I try to guess it.
We are in the next industry revolution, like human-computer interaction, and which is more on augmented intelligence. So how you use the AI technology to help your day-to-day process.
What you see here is an example of, obviously, my photo, and where we've used a GAN to translate that photo into many different fake versions of myself.
We take a job, break it down into tasks, there's task descriptions, and then we predict for each of those tasks, can a technology impact that task?
But the thing is that having a sense of the appropriate use of the model, how one should speak to address the model, is essential.